Hey guys, welcome. In this video, we will see how to install Apache Cassandra in Ubuntu. Installing Apache Cassandra in Ubuntu is quite simple and it's a two-step process. First, you have to install Java 8 and then Apache Cassandra. In my case, I have already installed the latest version of Java 8, but you have to install Java 8 if you haven't already installed it. I have given this link in the description. Please refer to it to install Java 8. Let's see how to install Cassandra now. First, let's add Cassandra Repository by running this command. Okay, done successfully. And then add the key now. Okay, now update the repository by running this command. Okay, repository update is successful. Now let's install Cassandra. Okay, Cassandra is successfully installed. Now let's start the Cassandra service by running this command systemctl start Cassandra. Okay. Also, you can enable it to run the service at the time of booting by running this command systemctl enable Cassandra. Okay, it is done. Now you can check the status of the Cassandra service by running systemctl status command. Okay, all is good. Cassandra is up and running.